Hi everybody, in this video I will explain to you how you can apply the regression analysis using Excel tool. I have taken here data of two variables. One variable is age in years, age of people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. If you have a long list, so it is very easy. You can use here the number of participant or number of observation, 1, 2, and together you can click them and drag them down. So we have actually 9 observations. So let's edit them, and here let's take it center. Everything is fine now. So here it should be, actually we can wrap it. Okay. So weight, apparently weight depends upon age. So there is a relationship between age and weight. How we can prove this relationship, how we can show this relationship using the regression analysis. In the regression line, we try to prove that how change in independent variable is bringing about change in dependent variable, and for that we use a relationship, and that relationship is y is equal to a plus b x. So this equation is basically the linear regression equation, and relationship between independent and dependent variable is actually explained through this relationship, where we have a, this is your constant, and b is the coefficient of variation. So using manual formula, we normally calculate a and b and put into the equation. In regression analysis, we have only two objectives. One objective is that what is the relationship and how this relationship is explained through a linear equation, and second is prediction. Prediction means on any forward value of x variable, forward value, what will be the value of a. For example, what will be the value of y if x is equal to, for example, 50. We say if x is equal to 60, then what will be the value of y? This is one of the questions. To solve this, what we will do, we go to fit the regression line on this data. Here you go to data, but before data, as I told you, go to file, then option, from option adds in to go, and check on the data analysis toolbar and click OK. I have done already, so I'm not going to repeat it. So you make sure that you first manage this. Okay, when this is ready, then you click on the data and go to data analysis. This button appears here. In this data analysis, what you will do, you will find the regression analysis. So in regression analysis, when you click on that, so there are two kind of range, two bins open and asking to put the range. Input range y variable. Y mean dependent variable. This is our dependent variable. X mean independent variable. So independent variable is age. We have selected it here. You can see that as we have selected the label. So check on the label. Confidence interval is 95%. This is by default. So we want our analysis. So where our analysis should be? Either in a new workplate or new workbook or in the same sheet. We need in the same sheet because we have enough space here. So click inside this. After clicking inside this, you select, for example, this place here, and click OK. When you click OK, you will see that many information is coming. First of all, let's edit it. So go to home, general, and number. So when you click on number, it is giving just two places after the decimal on the right side of the decimal. Then we can adjust these cells accordingly, and now go to find what we are interested in. This is actually the regression analysis of prediction, that how it comes, but what are the two values we are interested in. First is the intercept. Intercept is actually the value. This is your a, and then is the y age coefficient. Second coefficient of age coefficient of correlation, coefficient of variation, this is 1.51. So these two values we are interested in. As I told you, this is your B, this is your A. So very easily you can fit these to this equation. Let's see how we can utilize this. So it is very easy. Y equal to A plus BX. So you will write it. Y equal to A is 10.03, 10.03 plus B. B is equal to 1.51. 1.51 into X. So this is the linear equation explaining the relationship between age and the weight. So one step is solved. So one part of the question is solved. Next part was, what will be the value of Y if X is equal to 60? So in place of X, you will put 60. When you are putting in 60, so we need calculator here. CAL. Calculator. Open the calculator. So when we open the calculator, we have here calculator. Let's minimize it. It is too big. Okay. We don't need so big calculator. Okay. Here calculator is there. So what we need, 1.51 multiply 60. In place of X, we will substitute 60, and this is coming 90.06. So this will come. What will be the Y is equal to 10.03 plus, what is the value of this product? 1.51 multiply 60, 90.6. 90.6. So what will be the total? Total is very easy. Let's open the calculator and plus 10.03. 10.03. So your final value comes 100.63. So Y, when X is equal to 60, bracket close, is equal to, what is our final answer? 100.63. 100.63. So in this way you can predict the value. It is very easy. When you have A and B, first you determine the relationship, then just you substitute the value of X with the targeted value and give the final predicted value of Y. So in this way you can solve easily any question. So remember, from this table there are interpretation for other things also, but here just focusing on the requirement of the question and the topic, these two values are of your interest, so you are getting these without using difficult or hectic formulas.